If you want to turn off sleep mode on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how to do that. First of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And in the control center, just tap on the focus mode, which is the sleep mode, and from here just tap on sleep mode and turn it off. And after you do that, you will turn off sleep mode on your iPhone. Now, if you want to turn off the automatic feature which enables sleep mode automatically, then go to your home screen and open settings. From here, just tap on focus, and in focus, just tap on sleep. Now on this page, you will find a feature called Next Schedule. Just tap on it, and from here just disable the toggle for schedule. And after you do that, you will disable any schedule which was enabling sleep mode on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can turn off sleep mode on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.